Time to film this car wash. I haven't filmed in a long time.
Please collect your change. If you would like a receipt, press refund now. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Well, receipt ripped. Oh. Receipt ripped. Guess we might as well go in. Oh, go slowly because there's undercarriage.
Apparently not.
Huh, that's weird. This one doesn't have undercarriage. Stop! Sorry, I was just reminding
That
you to
scared
stop.
me enough. I haven't had to hurry one of those in a long time.
Sorry about that. Sorry for yelling stop. Oh, this one applies to tire cleaner. Haven't filmed this one since Bracy was with us. Oh, rocket metal blasters. Soaking. What's wrong in the car? Wash. And at least I hope the triple shine works. Cause that part didn't work last time for some reason. Rinse. Triple shine. That's somewhat working. No, it's double shine this time. Yeah, it's double shine now. That's pathetic.
Well, blue and yellow. Well, that's a weird. bit of pink, baby. Yeah, there's a little bit of pink in there. It's triple.
Oh,
Just not much.
and it doesn't let it sit long enough.
Throw it in the trash.
The receipt?
No, lotion.
Oh. Wow, it's rocking the car. Rinse.
Good blast on the windshield.
Clear coat protectant.
That'll get it off.
Now we're on the clear coat protectant stage.
Oh, I forgot to check my fuses.
Oh. Spot for rinse. Spot for rinse.
Onboard dryers.
Yes, onboard dryers. So we don't need to move. Blower. It's just draining the water, basically, so it doesn't squirt on us. And it's going to drip on us anyway. Wow, dryers ain't worth anything.
If we get a double pass.
We do get a double pass. Dryers barely got the water off. Yep.
Well, at least you got something. We've been through dryers that didn't get anything at all.
Yeah. That's it. Alright, thank you all for watching. I think this is the 8th car wash I've filmed in Texas in a long time. Thank you all for watching and subscribing.